In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Connection and Sharing. Now select Print, then Default Print Service, and finally wait. Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to use different print service, you need to remember to disable this one first. You can do that by tapping on this blue switcher. Now go back, click on Add Print Service, and download the best one for you from the list of available ones. I will go with HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!